It appears that Tesla Giga Texas buildings will be completed by December 30th to begin interior work to make it ready for production by May 2021. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time and would like to receive daily Tesla news, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who has been sending us regular updates about Tesla Giga Texas and how Tesla is doing its 5th Gigafactory in Texas, sends us this interesting report saying this was an amazing day as they are accelerating, referring to Tesla. Tesla is accelerating work in every location, and several new ones are in order to catch back up to the schedule they are on, which calls for substantial part of the buildings to be completed enough to begin interior work by December 30th, and then production starts in early 2021. Joe says this is incredible. He says I have posted supporting documents on all this in his September 11th video. You can check on his YouTube channel, and if you see the details. Remember, I said Tesla is accelerating work because in the past few weeks there have been heavy rains in Austin area and the work had kind of slowed down, and Joe and I reported that about Giga Texas. But now Tesla is accelerating work in every location at Giga Texas to catch up to its plan and have the building ready by December 30th and have it ready for production for early May of 2021. Joe also says, please keep in mind that this is my opinion based on what activity I see on the ground and what needs to happen to keep on accelerating schedule Tesla has publicized. Some information is still conjecture, especially the possibility of the casting area being formed in this video. Joe asked me to caution you guys and everyone that this is not yet confirmed, but he says I'm comparing similarities only to Giga Berlin. Viewers are welcome to provide their own opinions and inputs regarding that casting area. Based on this, Joe says I expect the concrete for the foundation of Giga Texas will need to begin being installed by the end of this month, and indeed today a lot of the preliminary work for this has already started. What we should see in the next few weeks, Joe says, he thinks besides the trenching, excavation, footing, installation, and other foundation final preparation work is the arrival of significant rebar and related items that will be necessary to frame out the foundation of Giga Texas just before concrete starts being poured. We should also see increasing activity and trucks for the on-site concrete batch plant to signal that concrete work is about to begin. Again, this should be in the next several weeks if they are to hit the aggressive timeline. If Tesla is ready is to hit the aggressive timeline they are seeking to hit, and of course we will keep you updated. Joe said a few days ago that there is so much activity going on. It looks like they are accelerating to try to catch up from the rain delays, and the changes in just 24 hours is staggering. It is hard to capture everything in one video, he says. So he also says a new large area in the north of Giga Texas has been cleared by Texas of bush and topsoil in the past 12 hours, and the North Pond area is now devoid of trees and brush as field leveling operations are very active. He says more clearing and excavation work is happening south of Texas, Giga Texas area, and yet another area even further south, all on the east side of the power lines, and they are also aerating the central mud pond area and the northwest pond area of Giga Texas factory to get these areas dry enough for resumed field compaction and leveling activities. The northwest pond area needs to be filled to allow for extension of the second foundation. So it looks like in the next few weeks we should see the preparation for the first concrete work to start at Giga Texas. In fact, I remember those days when Giga Berlin was starting the first concrete. I even had a report titled "The First Concrete," and it got a lot of interest. So looking forward to see these developments at Giga Texas. Thank you, Joe, for this report, and thanks everyone. Let us know what your opinions are about the casting details that Joe provide, and we'll see in our next report. Let's continue watching Joe's report, and God bless you. Take good care of each other. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, and I'll see you in our next report. Have a great rest of the day.